Give me everything you got.
You can have her, mister.
I don't want to take your doll, sweetheart. You know, when my granddaughter was your age, she had one just like it.
What's her name?
Okay, honey, this man has a job to do.
His job's robbing banks.
No, sweetheart. Just trying to see my family more often.
You okay, mister?
Lucy!
His mask's too hot for him.
Thank you, sweetheart. Thank you.
I want you to start with that man over there, okay?
I don't see him.
Are you sure?
Yep, I'm positive. I got a great memory.